Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: internet, correct date/time, and latest Windows updates so authentication issues aren't caused by simple sync errors. Once done, back up any local files and have the Microsoft account email or phone ready. Now open Settings and go straight to Accounts, then choose Email and Accounts or Access Work or School depending on the connection type. You are initiating the disconnection or repair process immediately. No waiting, so you can resolve account conflicts efficiently. Once you've opened the account area, remove the conflicting entry by selecting the account, choosing Remove and confirming. This clears stale tokens. Next, use the built-in repair and troubleshooting. Go to Sign-in Options, then Microsoft Account Troubleshooting to reset cached credentials and reconfirm your device. After repair finishes, add the account again. Click Add Account, choose the correct type, personal versus work, and follow multi-factor prompts. This sequence forces a fresh token exchange and clears most already connected errors. To finish, verify sync settings and enable the items you need so Mail and OneDrive reconnect normally. Make sure to inspect Windows Credential Manager and delete any old Microsoft credentials to prevent reused tokens from blocking sign-in. If the problem persists, sign out from account. Microsoft.com, reset the password to invalidate sessions, then re-add the account on the PC. A single key troubleshooting tip: if removal/re-add fails, create a new local admin, sign in there, and perform the account reconfiguration to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.